Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramasri Social Classes. This is your social teacher Ramasri. See, today I came before you with a new topic, that is solutions, which are meant for SERT books introduced by Andhra Pradesh government. As you know, they introduced a semester system by the state government from class 6th to 8th. Semester 1 to 3. See, here I searched many sites, social sites for the solution for these books, but I did not get anywhere. I got only which are introduced by the NCRT books. See, I thought that why don't we introduce for SERT books the solutions? The solutions nothing but answers which are present in the textbooks. See, so this is my plan to prepare all the answers for the questions for class 6th, 7th and even 8th also. Hoping you like these answers and please encourage me like my video.
Now, the next lesson Bhakti and Sufi from class 7th semester 2. Improve your learning. Answer the following questions. First one. What are the silent features of Bhakti movement? See here in social studies we have to follow the side headings which are giving more appearance for the answer. Side heading is silent features of the Bhakti movement. Oneness of God, one of the way to make moksha is Bhakti. Bhakti means surrounded to God, emphasized equality of all humans, no discrimination of caste, creed, section, etc. The Bhakti saints traveled to various places to speak about the path of Bhakti and preached in the local languages. Second question. Who is Mirabai? What was her contribution to the Bhakti movement and the Sufi movement? Mirabai. Mirabai was another important women saint of the medieval times. Mira became a devotee of Lord Krishna right from her childhood. Even after marriage, she continued her devotion towards Krishna and became popular as a divine singer. She propagated Krishna Bhakti among all sections of the society. Hermits of various religions visited Chittoda, which is present in Rajasthan, to listen to her singing ecstatically, nothing but enthusiastically singing. And she was the disciple of Saint Ravidas. Her songs have become popular for centuries. Next, third question. What can the present society learn from the Bhakti movement and the Sufi movement? Means from that two movements, what present situation, present society is learn. The songs and teachings of the Sufi and the Bhakti saints are relevant even today. The two movements brought a new form of religious expression amongst Muslims and Hindus. Worship or singing, bhajans, kirtanas or kavalis, repeating the name of God in silence. And noticed that some of them are moved to tears. Means when they pray God, they get tears from their eye. Such intense devotion or love of God is the legacy of various kinds of bhakti and Sufi movement that have evolved even today. Next, read the topic of page number 46 under the heading Impact of Bhakti Movement on the Medieval Indian Society and comment in your own words. Side heading Impact of the Bhakti Movement on the Medieval Indian Society. The most important social impact of Bhakti movement was that the followers of Bhakti movement rejected caste discrimination. Means they rejected caste discrimination which are present in the society. This movement encouraged religious tolerance. The Bhakti saints preached religious tolerance and monotheism. Monotheism is nothing but a single system. A spirit of harmony developed among the different society of the society. See one more time. A spirit of harmony developed among the different sections of the society. It tried to develop humanitarian attitude. Impact of Sufi movement. Sufi traveled all over the country to reach the poor and rural communities. They preached in the local languages and lived a modest, simple life. Who was the founder of Sikhism and what were the main principles of Sikhism? Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikh religion, was another prominent saint. He believed in truth, fraternity of man, righteousness, living the social virtues of dignity of labor and charity. His most progressive social teachings denounced the caste system and thought that everyone is equal, regardless of caste and gender. Next question. Describe the prominent saints of South India. See, many saints are present in South India. So, about them, we are going to write few words. So, he preached first Adi Sankaracharya. He preached the Advaita policy. He established four Shakti Pitas in all the four corners of the India. Ramanujacharya was the philosopher and social reformer. C.E. Ramanuja gave a philosophical basis to the bringing of Vaishnavism. He wrote a commentary on Brahma Sutras, popularly known as Sri Bhashya. Madhvacharya. Madhvacharya preached the Dvaita philosophy, and the means is Dvaita means duality, dualism. Next, Vallabhacharya. Vallabhacharya, his ideology is known as Suddhavaita. Suddhaita means pure non-dualism. Vallabha teachings are also known as Pustimarj or the path of grace. He had intense love for divine incarnation of Lord Sri Krishna. Basaveshwara, he popularized the Veera Shaivam. He literally write about Sufi saints and their teachings. Sufi movement. The Sufi movement was a socio-religious movement in Islam. The Sufi saints were always in meditation and they led a simple life. The silent features of Sufism. There is only one God. All are children of God. To love a fellow human being is to love God. Devotional music is one of the ways to reach the presence of God. Sufi believes Wahalat ul Uzid, which means worship for single God. Next question. Write an essay appreciating the social services recorded by Bhakti saints. The Bhakti movement empowered the underbelly of Indian society in fundamental ways and also provided the required inputs for growth of vernacular literature. This tradition of those deemed low singing and writing did not, however, end with the Bhakti movement, gambling into mainstream. They emphasized the virtues or love and devotion, brotherhood and equality, etc. These helped to bring the two communities nearer. It also helped to harmonize the conflicting interests. The saints of Bhakti movement rejected the differences of caste system.